Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the job safe and efficient. First, unplug the compressor and bleed the tank until no pressure remains. This prevents violent release. Next, warm the pump for 5 to 10 minutes by running it briefly. This thins the oil and ensures a faster drain. While it warms, grab 10W30 compressor oil, a funnel, a wrench, and a container for old oil. Make sure the area is ventilated. Once done, position the container under the drain plug and get ready to remove it. You now remove the drain plug with a wrench and let the warmed oil flow completely into your catch container. Tipping the unit slightly helps remove residual oil. As it drains, inspect the oil for metal flakes, dark sludge, or milky water. These signs indicate wear or contamination and may require service. While the oil empties, clean the drain and fill threads and check the gasket. A torn gasket will leak. Make sure the drain is fully closed and threads are clean before you add new oil. You refill through the fill port using a funnel, adding 10W30 until the oil reaches the site glass or manufacturer level. Do not overfill because excess causes pressure and leaks. Once filled, start the compressor briefly so oil circulates, then shut it down and recheck the level, topping off as needed. Finally, wipe all fittings, securely tighten the drain plug, and run the unit to confirm normal sound and pressure. If you hear unusual noise, see leaks, or find metal in the oil, stop and get professional service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.